Right, McD, what's cooking?
So I put the menu, we got some red peppers here for to make a little marinade for them. Got a little bit of chili powder, sesame oil, a bit of soy sauce, maybe a bit of lemon, ginger.
Ooh, sounds
Put
good.
it all in together and fry up some red onions, some spring onions, put a bit of parsley, spinach in the end. Serve it up on breakfast.
Sounds like quite a feast, McD. What are you calling it? Do you know what it's going to look like at the end?
I don't know, it's going to be a...
Is it going to be some form of a risotto?
No, it's not going to be a risotto. It's just going to be sort of a stir fry with a weird sauce that I don't really know about yet. But we'll see what happens. Learn something new every day.
Give us a wee sort of there.
Turn that off.
Okay, we've also got something in the oven. Ta-da!
Turn that off.
It's just a load of Indian pakoras and vegetable pakoras and vegetable samosas. So we're going to have quite a feast.
Cooking up a stall.
Right, take it away.